Hey guys, how you doing? This is Chef P, giving you guys a quick demo on how to cost out a recipe. This is one of my examples, General Salad Sauce. All of my recipes are laid out exactly like this. What you need to start doing and filling in is the as purchased price column. That's the first step. And you will find all of those prices on the master pricing list for Walnut Hill College that I uploaded into every class in the course information folder. Every price you need will be on here. So let's get started. Find blended oil. There we go. 38.40. Now pick something else like rice vinegar. Fine vinegar, rice vinegar. That's 10.24 for a gallon. Pick something else. Shallots. Scroll around till you find what you need. Shallots. $13 for 80 ounces. So you're going to do this until you fill it up. You're going to find every number. You're going to scroll through. When you do, you're going to find something that looks like this. And notice how this veg stock price is not here. That's because you need to cost out the cost of veg stock. So there's another little costing thing in some of them. Sometimes you don't need it. Sometimes you do. We have to cost that out. All right, and we've done that. You need to do that. This is not going to be filled in if you need to do it. So you get your total cost and your yield. You're going to have to fill that in yourself for 1 gallon. All right. Next thing you do is lay out the calculations. Here we have 38.40 divided by 6 times 128. And you don't want to forget order of operations. You want to write it out correct and then follow order of operations correctly. This will give us the per ounce price, but we need the per teaspoon price. We know that there's 2 teaspoons in an ounce, so we divide this number by 2. All right. And another one, ginger. It's 4.12 divided by 16. That will give us our per ounce price, and we need a teaspoon. There are 6 teaspoons in an ounce, so we're going to divide this number by 6. All right. So right here, you want to match, whenever you're doing this, you want to match the your calculation to achieve the unit size that you're doing. This unit size is cup and this is gallon, so we're going to do 3.22, divide that by 16 because there are 16 cups in a gallon. All right, but here this gallon they want it in ounces, so we're going to divide that by the amount of ounces. So it'll be 332 divided by 128. All right, so you always want to end up in the unit size that your ingredient was measured in. You're going to go through and fill them all in, and then you get something that looks like this. Now all you have to do is calculate the math. We're going to start here with oranges. We're using 1 and it costs 65 cents. So we're just going to put 65 cents here. When I hit return, it auto-populates this column by doing the math for us. It multiplies the amount by the unit cost to get the ingredient cost. So let's try the blended oil. We're going to follow order of operations. So first is 6 times 128 and we get 768. So now we're going to divide 38.40 by 768, and that gives us our per ounce cost. So we paid 5 cents for an ounce when we bought it like this, but we need the teaspoon price. So there are 2 teaspoons in an ounce, so we're going to divide this by 2. All right. So you get 0.025. You got to round accordingly. So we're going to round up to 3. 0.3. So 3 cents. All right. Do another one. We'll do scallions. 75 cents. Divide that by 3.8. And you get your per ounce cost of, we got to round up, 20 cents. So we'll do ginger now. 4.12 divided by 16 gives us a per ounce price of 25 cents. Divide that by 6 to get our teaspoon price. And we round accordingly. It's 4 cents for a teaspoon of ginger. We'll do another one, the cornstarch. We need to get this down to ounces. So 24 times 16 gives us our ounces. It's 384. So now we're going to divide 2076 by 384. And we get 5 cents after we round. For cornstarch, after you do all those, you get something that looks like this. All the unit cost is filled out. This keeps the running total and it gives you that right here. So this is the total ingredient cost for everything that goes into this recipe. Now you want to find the cost per serving. And to do that, you simply divide this number by the number of servings. So we'll do 1049 divided by 40. And that gives us 26 cents per serving. That's an example of how you cost out a recipe. Just take it step by step, you'll do fine. If you guys need any other help, you know how to get a hold of me.